Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into 10 Python hacks that will make your code cleaner, faster, and a whole lot cooler. Let's get started. Need to reverse a string? Just use slicing. It's that simple. Want to repeat a string multiple times? Use the multiplication operator to get it done. Combine list elements into a single string with join. Quick and easy. Align your text with F strings. It is perfect for formatting. Use dot format for precise number formatting. Round to 2 decimal places just like this. Keep your code clean and readable with multi-line strings using triple quotes. Need to include quotes or line breaks? Use a backslash to escape special characters. It's dynamic and super handy. Try out these hacks in your next project. Keep them in your coding toolbox for better, cleaner Python code. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more tips.